Hi boys, I'm back. We are starting a new chapter today, simultaneous equations. We finished, or rather we put trigonometry in the middle because there were complaints from parents and I guess students also saying they want to do it in the school, too difficult to be done online. So I'm starting a new chapter. It's called simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations is exactly like simple equations that we've been doing. For example, we've done x plus 7 is equal to 11. That was a simple equation that we did in 6th, 7th, 8th. And now we move to simultaneous. Simultaneous has two variables. Earlier we had only one variable x. Now if you look at this question, we have two variables x and y. So these are two variables and obviously two equations. So two variables, two equations, we can solve them. There are different methods of solving. This exercise talks about the first method, which is elimination by substitution. Let's look at the name, elimination. What are we eliminating? We are eliminating one variable by substituting it in the other. So let's try and solve this question. This is equation 1, equation 2 as per the question. So this is 8x is equal to 9 minus 5y. I've just taken 5y on the other side, which means x will be equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8. Now let's substitute it in equation 2. So put x is equal to 9 minus 5y upon 8 in equation 2. Why will I substitute in equation 2, not in equation 1? Because if you substitute equation 1 in equation 1, it will give you nothing. So you take one equation and put it in the second equation. So this is 3 times 9 minus 5y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. This is 27 minus 15y upon 8 plus 2y is equal to 4. Let's take LCM. That's 27 minus 15y plus 16y upon 8 is equal to 4. 27 minus, so that's 27 plus y is equal to 32. I just took 4, did cross multiplication. Y is equal to 32 minus 27 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. I've got one value. Put y is equal to 5 in, let's say, equation 1, and I get 8x plus 25 is equal to 9. 8x is equal to 9 minus 25, that's negative 16, and x is equal to negative 2. So I've got my answer, x is equal to negative 2. The usual convention of writing the answer is that you highlight it once and at the end you write it in a set form. This is xy is equal to negative 2, 5. Please note, if I'm writing x first, I'll write the value of x first. Right, let's move on and let's do question number 3. Question 3 is 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y. Let's give it equation 1, equation 2. I noticed that in this case, both the variables are, the coefficient of both the variables is equal, which means I don't need to convert it into x is equal to something. I can just replace 2x with this value, right? So put 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y in equation 1, and I get, instead of 2x, I write 2 plus 3y, and the 3y is already there. So this is from the substitution, and this is this. So 2 plus 3y is 2 plus 6y is equal to 8, which means 6y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 1. I've got my answer. Now let's put y is equal to 1 in, let's say, equation 2. Am I supposed to put it in any specific equation? No, you decide whichever equation you want to put this in. So 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y, which is 3. 2x is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 by 2 or 2.5. I've got my answer. I will write this in the set form at the end. xy is equal to 2.5 and 1. Thank you. I will come back. So let's move on. In this question 5, 6x is equal to 7y plus 7y minus x is equal to 8. So second equation gives me x is equal to 7y minus 8. Let's put this in, put x is equal to 7y minus 8 in my equation 1, and I get 6 times 7y minus 8 is equal to 7y plus 7. 6 into 7 is 40. 6 into 7 is 42y minus 6 8s are 48 is equal to 7y plus 7. Let's take 7y here. So 42y minus 7y is equal to 7 plus 48. 42 minus 7 is 35. So 35y is equal to 55. Therefore, y is equal to 55 upon 35. 5 into 7, 5 into 11. So it is equal to, therefore, y is equal to 11 by 7. We don't write it in this form, so I will need to write it as in 1/4 upon 7. Now put y is equal to 11 by 7 in which equation? Let's put it in, let's name this equation 3. So let's put it in 3. In 3. So it gives me x is equal to 7 into 11 by 7 minus 8. 7 and 7. X is equal to 11 minus 8 equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y was equal to 11 by 7. I write my answer as xy is equal to 3 11 upon 7 or 3 1 4 upon 7. Let's move on to question number 7. Question 7 says 2x plus 7y is equal to 39, 3x plus 5y is equal to 31. So let's uh, use the first equation. 2x is equal to 39 minus 7y, which means x is equal to 39 minus 7y upon 2. Let's put this in the second equation. So 3 times 39 minus 7y upon 2 plus 5y is equal to 31. Let's multiply. 3 into 39 is 117. So where is my cursor? 117 minus 21y upon 2 plus 5y is equal to 31. Let's take LCM. 117 minus 21y plus 10y is equal to 62. I just did cross multiplication. So this is, let's take this on the other side. 117 minus 62 is equal to negative 21 plus 10 is negative 11. When it goes on the other side, 11, which means y is equal to 117 minus 62 is 55. 55 upon 11 is equal to 5. So put y is equal to 5. In which equation should we put? Let's put it in x is equal to 39 minus 7 into 5 upon 2. X is equal to 39 minus 35 upon 2, which is 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Let's write the answer in the set form. Xy is equal to 2 comma 5. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 9. So let's open these brackets first. So 2x minus 6 plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0, which means 2x plus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. This is my third equation because I will find it very difficult to work with this. Let's look at the second one. 5x minus 5 plus 4y minus 16 is equal to 0. This becomes 5x plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. This becomes my equation number 4. So this will be, let's use this equation and I get 2x is equal to 21 minus 3y, which means x is equal to 21 minus 3y upon 2. Let's put this in our equation number 4. So 5 times 21 minus 3y upon 2 plus 4y minus 21 is equal to 0. Let's multiply. 5 into 21, 105 minus 15y plus 8y minus 42 upon 2 is equal to 0. I took one more step, which is I did took the LCM and I multiplied directly. I cross multiply, this becomes 0. So 105 minus 42 is equal to 63. Negative 15y plus 8y is negative 7y is equal to 0, which means 7y is equal to 63. Therefore, y is equal to 9. Done. I hope you're getting this till now, and I also hope you're pausing the video and doing the questions on your own. So put y is equal to 9 in some equation. Let's put this in x. So x will become 21 minus 3 into 9, 27 upon 2, which is negative 6 upon 2 is equal to negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3. And now I will write my answer in the set form. X and y is equal to negative 3 comma 9. Thank you.